Everybody, look what came in the mail today. This is the DJI Ryze Tello, like this creation. It is so tiny. It is so tiny. Wow, that is small. I'm gonna show you how to set this up and fly it, like the best way to set this up and fly this. This is amazing. Okay, and the first step to setting up the Tello and utilizing it is, that's it, done. I'm totally kidding. I'll do a video on it this week. The Tello, I don't know anything about, I don't even know why I got it, but it's a pretty cool little indoor drone. I'm gonna chase the cat with it, and yeah.